today we're going to look at, review and hopefully play a little bit of the A400 Mini from, I think this is At Games who did this, or is it? Looks like a bit like At Games. But apparently there's 25 8-bit Atari games on here. Why would they not say At Games on it? Why would you not? I think it's a combination of lots of different types of games anyway, compatible with lots of, game files must be legally obtained. Okay, let's get this out and see what it is. Hi guys, Ralph here. So, games must be legally obtained. There's obviously, we know that these mini consoles, you can expand the games on them. You can't buy the ROMs for this. The only way you could actually buy the games for this, and you compare with the 400, is that the 800 or the XL or the, that's 800 XL, 520, which was that one, 400. I like that one because it's like a tiny ST. But yeah, the ROMs for this, you can't buy them in the shops. It's not like it's going to be doing anything. I've got the PlayStation, the Mega Drive. I've got a copy of the NES. I think I've got one or two others, and I can't see them at the moment because they're hidden by lots of other stuff up there anyway on the shelf. So we open up. We have a tiniest A400 Mini, plastic on there. Now the beauty of this is, you've got a full system. It looks like one that I don't think opens. It's just for things and thingies, things and giddles. Yeah, we'll take a 5-volt, 1 amp power supply, which will be from the USB-C, I assume. It'll be next to the power button. There's a USB on the back, which I assume is to do with programming, maybe putting updates on here. And the beauty of these is they're already HDMI modded. So you can play these on modern televisions instead of having to do lots of other gubbins. 4 joysticks on there, which is good because it can play joysticks. It is really, really nice, cute keyboard. I doubt will work, but you can feel it. It's not just printed on there, you can feel it. System reset, I don't think they work. I think it's like one of those consoles which everything is on the... Might not be. Everything's on the controller. You'll have a joystick, exactly the same as what you used to get from a 2600. Feels terrible. It is exactly the same as, but with the USB on the end. So there'll be another circuit board in there. That is a button. Two other buttons. So you probably would control this from. So we have 3 extra buttons. Piece of cardboard there, which doesn't do anything. We have a book, quick start guide, and I assume that box on the floor. Another box there. Oh, getting old, which has probably got all the cables in. And I think I've already got the cables that I need already, but we have a beige USB, oh no, it's HDMI. HDMI to HDMI, same colour beige. And we have a beige USB-C to USB-B, A, or whatever, standard. So, what do we have in the guide? Why is there a bag? Oh, it's extra card. Packaging, that's fine. That's nothing I'm missing. So the mini guide comes with mini power LED, which is on the front, which is probably that LED there. Player 1, 2, 3, 4 ports, to TV, to power adapter, and power button. Didn't say about the extra USB on there. So menu, home, and then S. F for fire, top, home. No, that's not home. Up, down, left, right on that one. So why is that asking you to turn it around? This, it can operate in either left or right-handed. Oh, okay, that's clever. So it can be, I always played normal, whatever, but you can be left-handed, you can, cool, that's quite good, quite clever. And then you have it in French, probably Italian, German, Spanish. So what I need to do is get this thing plugged in, and let's have a look and see if it's any good. Okay, here we go. So we're all plugged in. I've used this to just show that these are made by people like me who think, and it's a good run up to there to get the plug into the wall, should we say, not a short little cable that you can just get somewhere. And yeah, so everything's in. I'm going to press the power button, which was on the back, if you remember. just once, and so we've got one LED which comes on here. It's only small, I can just show you it's there, so there it is. Okay, so this is copyright 2024. They've been out that, well, it's only that last year. Of course it is. So, English, French, Spain, Polish, Italian, and German. So we go for there, select, top next. Oh no. F select. What's F select? Why can't I? Okay, that doesn't make any sense. Why can't I reset? I know that there's no things with the buttons and whatever. What is the F select? F is select, which is fire. Top is next. How do I go back? Function, reactivate rewind mode. Oh, there's rewind mode as well on the S code. Visit retrogames.biz, links 500 mini. So menu is the left button at the top, and then right button is the home. That doesn't want to work at all. That's quite weird. Press reset. No, press power. Let's see, just resetting this thing. Press and hold the button. That should turn off. That shouldn't work that way. I suspect a little bit of editing on this video might be coming very soon. Don't like editing, but it is a 720. It's not a full HD, but it will plug into any television. Do what you want. Why does that not work? That's weird. To the HDMI's in, connect the stick to the leftmost thing, operation of the stick, connect the USB power, switch the TV, optimize, yes. Press and release the power button, power the LED glows, you should, greeting screen, and hear the accompanying tune, yes. All the many functions performed by the stick. Direction, you've got F, S, prompt, what? Prompt which buttons? That's just about game carousel. Four-way button. Oh! These are buttons! These are actually buttons! Around the outside bit. Okay. 50 Hz is UK, outside America. So, I can't get it close enough, but it's this top. These are all buttons. That's clever. So, run television test. That's the shows you left, so run television test. Okay, so television test will end in 15 seconds. To accept settings, yes. That's fine. Okay. Asteroid was always on my game. Berserk, Boulder Dash. Then we turn the music off. Menu options. Menu is the left one. Oh, F is increase. See, it's the side of it. Let's get rid of that. So top will close. Yeah. That's quite clever. So I'm playing Boulder Dash. Boulder Dash was kind of a Repton sort of Repton game. Oh no. I'm just pressing anything now. It's confusing. Right, so the boulder's come down. Well, there's something above me, I'm fine. I get a feeling I'm about to be trapped. Yep. This is horrible. We've got a keyboard there as well. This is absolutely horrible sounds. Oh my goodness. Right. There's a fair few. Crystal Castle was alright on the 2600. It looks probably as bad as now for it. Encounter? Flip and Flop? Henry's House? Hover? There are more. There are more than 25 games on here. I'm sure there are. Let's start at the beginning. Right, Airball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 22, 23, 24, 25. Just joking with you. So let's go for asteroids, and I'm not trumping. That's my chair, which goes. Needs oil. How do I move? Move. Play. Oh no, it goes back. Right, so this is quite confusing. I'm thinking you press the left top button. Standard play. I can't even see myself. It's not me firing. Top, left. Ah. This is just virtually the same as a Atari 2600 version. Ah, in your face. Pull back for shield. Forward for... I hope you can see this, by the way. This is very dark. They have the rewind as well. Bounce, on, off. What? Okay, so there's plenty of options on here. Fast asteroid, slow asteroid. Fast. Oh, let's go back to the beginning. I think, yes, it's a fun game, but it's just confusing how to actually play this thing. Berserk.
Again, fight like a robot. The humanoid must not escape.
Oh no, no, don't shoot me. I went through my neck. Why can I not? Thank you. Where's the right button on the thing? Come on then. Oh, this is shocking. Really got that. See, they kill each other as well. Okay, let's go back to the menu. One more. I like Crystal Castles. I had Crystal Castles on the 2600. Right, I think that started. Got a weird naked bear which collects dots. Oh no! At least I can jump over things. What the heck? Oh, I'm behind. Okay. So they're eating the dots as well. We've got the last gem. So yeah, very... What are you? The sound is ridiculously weird. What are you doing? The trees have eaten me. The trees have eaten me. That's weird. yeah, good nostalgic sort of thing. I'll look into whether or not you can. I am sure you can put more ROMs on here if needed. I say it's compatible with loads of different Atari stuff, so it's a good base, I suppose. Inside there's only going to be one of the little like Raspberry Pi sort of boards. It's got one of those chipped with the goop on top of it, so it'll just be, yeah, as it is, and it's good and easy enough to faff around with anyway. So with that in mind, if you want to go get one, they're about 40 quid on Amazon. It's ridiculous how cheap they are. So yeah, I got this one donated from my partner, so yeah, and nice to have things anyway. So yeah, go get one. Go get one. Go find one probably cheaper on eBay if you ask, being a bit cheeky. If not, just buy a brand new one, £40 on Amazon, or they're 42, something like that. They're not much. The last time there was a mini out, it was the Amiga Mini. It was going cheap and then got cheaper. And my idea was I was going to buy it for £50 when it got down to £50, and then it vanished. It stopped. And then they're now going for hundreds. So just to show that when you miss the boat, you miss the boat. One of these are pretty good, I think. And they are a good nostalgic buzz anyway, if you like the 400, the Ataris from that generation. So go get one. So with that in mind, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media. Consider being a Patreon, consider donating, consider being a YouTube member. It helps me out no end, and with the channel. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye for now.